Good morning, everybody. Today is February 7th, 2020, and I'd like to give you like a quick update on the stock market. Right now, we're experiencing around 200-point drop on Dow Jones. However, I think that it's still too early to buy the market at these levels. If you look at what happened to the market in the last week, you would see that we went 1,000 points up. We're at the very top of the price corridor for Dow Jones, and actually we're hitting all-time high for Dow Jones, which is always a risky point of entry because you don't really want to buy at the very top just to experience a sudden sell-off or a dip and see your money evaporate and take some substantial losses. So at this time, I would either consider buying a put on, let's say, Dow Jones by buying a put option on an ETF that basically matches Dow Jones, and this ETF is traded under the ticker DIA, or David Iron America. And right now this DA is this ETF is traded for $281-82 a share. And I would advise you to consider buying a put with a strike price of around $280 a share. You could buy it for next week for around $1 a share. And if my calculations are correct and Dow Jones will experience a certain correction by diving in its value by another 200-300 points next week, then you would be able to earn some money and actually make some profits next week. But buying long right now is a dangerous proposition because we're at the very top of our trading corridor, and if you decide to actually enter the market with a long position by buying Dow Jones, you are entering a trade that has much higher probability to go bad, meaning that the Dow Jones will actually decline next week, versus a trade that will make a bet that Dow Jones is gonna go down in price and you would be able to make some money. So consider buying a put on DIA with a strike price of $280 a share. And if the market does go down next week, which I expect it will, especially because coronavirus just exited its 14-day incubation period, which means that people that were infected but not yet sick might experience pretty bad not already symptoms but signs of the coronavirus disease, which obviously will trigger another health panic and alert on the stock market, and that will create an extra pressure. So if you would like to know what to do with other exchange traded funds being traded in the stock market, please go to the website foretf.com. that will take you directly to the Apple App Store page that will take you to the app that you could download, install and run on your iPhone, iPad or Apple TV, and it covers 2,200 ETFs being traded on the stock market. Thank you for your time and good luck trading.